everyone, my name is Smita Mehta from Mount Carmel School. Today I am going to teach math subject and the topic is comparison. What is comparison? When we make the difference between two objects. So the difference among the two objects is comparison. Here in this I am going to teach heavy, light, long, short, more, less, big, small. Here the comparison is done between heavy, light. What is heavy? Heavy means which has more weight. It is heavy. And light means which has less weight. Long, short. Long means it has a long length. Any object which has a long length. And short means any object which has a short length, short size. Now more, less. More means many and less means less, little. Big. Big means huge in size. Small means very small, little, very short, little in size. Okay. So heavy means बहुत ज़्यादा वजन होना. Light means हल्का. Long means लंबा. Short means छोटा, small in size. More यानी ज़्यादा. Less means less का मतलब होता है कम. Big means बड़ा. And small means very short, छोटा सा. Okay. So these are the comparisons. Now I am going to show you the objects which will clear your concept of comparison. Children, here you can see cotton. You can see cotton, and here in my hand, left hand, I am holding this notebook. So notebook is heavy. It is heavy in weight, and cotton is light in weight. See, it's so light. Cotton is so light and notebook is very heavy. So heavy and light. This is the comparison. Now I will show you this pencil. Long pencil, short pencil. In my hand I am holding long pencil and short pencil. This pencil is long and this is short. Now I have marbles. See these marbles? These are more marbles. So many marbles. See, I can count the marbles for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have, in this bowl we have 11 marbles. And in this bowl we have only 3. 1, 2, 3. So less marbles and these are more marbles. These are more. Less, more. Okay. Now our last concept is big, small. Elephant is big, isn't it? See, elephant is big and bird is small. Bird is smaller than this elephant and elephant is bigger than this bird. So big, small. Now in this sheet we will do the exercise of comparison. This is the exercise. So the first comparison picture I have drawn. This is a bucket filled with water and beside the bucket I have drawn balloon. So bucket is heavy in weight. It's very heavy and balloon is very light. So the exercise is you have to circle the light object. And here you have to cross the heavy. You have to cross the heavy object. Circle the light object. Balloon is light in weight, so you have to circle the balloon and you have to cross the heavy object. Now the other concept is long shot. So in this you have to take the long object and cross the short object. You have to take the long pencil and you have to cross the short pencil. Long, short. Now in this, more, less. So here you have to put tick mark to the less object and cross the more object. You have to put cross mark. Ma'am has put cross mark to the more object. And these are less flowers. How? See, these are only 2 flowers. And these are 5 flowers. So you have to cross the more object and you have to tick the less flowers, less object. Now in this, the last one, you can see 2 trees, big and small tree. So you have to circle the small tree and you have to cross the big tree. You have to circle the small tree and you have to cross the big tree. Heavy, light. This bucket is heavy and balloon is light. Now this pencil is long, this pencil is long and this pencil is short. Now this, the flowers are less and these flowers are more. Now in this, the tree is small and this tree is big. So today we have learned the comparison of among these objects, isn't it? You all have understood? This is the comparison. This is the difference between 2 objects, 2 things. We make out the difference. Which one is heavy? Which one object is light? Which object is big? Which object is small? Which object is more? Which object is less? Which object is long? Which object is short? So this is comparison. Thank you. Have a nice day.